Hi everyone, in this question we'll find a limit as x approaches 2 of x power 4 minus 16 on x minus 2. The first thing to do is try direct substitution. You'll get 2 power 4 minus 16 on 2 minus 2. So you can see we're going to get 16 minus 16 on 0, which is obviously 0 on 0. So we have the indeterminate form. So we need to consider doing some factorisation here. So let's write down the limit as x approaches 2. Now x power 4 minus 16 can be written as x squared all squared minus 4 squared divided by x minus 2. Next line, limit as x approaches 2. Now x squared power squared minus 4 squared, we can again use the difference of squares. So we could write x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 4 divided by x minus 2. Again, we write the limit as x approaches 2. So we can use the difference of squares to expand x squared minus 4. We'll have x minus 2, x plus 2 times x squared plus 4 divided by x minus 2. And we can cancel x minus 2. We can try substitution again now to see if we can get the answer. So let's put x equals 2 into our question. We'll have 2 plus 2 times 2 squared plus 4. So we'll have 4 times 4 plus 4. So you get 32 for the answer. So that's our limit as x approaches 2. Thanks for watching.